Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video from the Gemini. How to do that, so without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, you can access this Gemini AI first and don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the home page of this Gemini AI. As you can see here that this Gemini AI for the daily usage, you can actually use by in this version of 2.5 Flash. But if you would like to create the video, so you need to upgrade it into the Pro version. And as you can see that this actually Gemini give you the chance to upgrade it into the 2.5 Pro. But if you go to this tool, there are any option to create the video. Why? Because you need to do the purchase first. And don't worry because this Google usually give you 1 month free trial to have the Gemini Pro version, and by that case you will have a chance to create the video. And don't worry guys, you can start to do the purchasement or payment first, but it is only $0 because it is still free trial, and you can also cancel the subscription from your smartphone in the Google Play Store. And for example, I will show you the version of this Gemini AI that have the Pro version and have tried the free trial to be the Pro version. So the initially was Flash, and for the Flash there are any initially when I used to use this Flash version, there are no any create a video with view over here. But since I have tried to create the or decide to make the Pro version, so this Gemini AI have me to try the create a video with this view. So this will be the opening or the home page after you already purchase the $0 following your currency to try their free trial. And after that there will be the additional option to create the video with view here. So the first step you can do, you can click this, and after that you can add your prompt in this section. And disclaimer, if you would like to create the video from this Gemini, so you will have 3 times to generate the video and also include to refine the prompt. I will give you the example. As you can see, I have tried to create a video by this prompt, and you can also edit this prompt or refine this prompt. And again, you will only have the chance until 3 times. And after that, the video will be show or appear in this section. I
Now we
will
just
simply
need
play
to
it for
fry
you.
them.
Yes, I love this part.
And you can also download it, and it will officially save into your device. And if you run out of the, let's say, the chance or 3 credits, don't worry because it will be renewed every single day, guys.
Now we just need to fry them.
Yes, I love this part.
As you can see that this video needs to be detailed, or I need to create the prompt very detailed, because as you can see that this grandmother actually
Yes, I
still
love this
kneading the
part.
dough, but suddenly there is the bowl over here, and also suddenly she holds the chopstick. So you need to be more precise and also try to learn how to master the prompt, guys. So that's all how you create the video from the Gemini AI. And to conclude it, you need to upgrade it into the pro version until the menu to create the video is appear in this tool section. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try to use this Gemini AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.